Today we're going to open a 2017 Topps Baseball Series 2. It's one of your larger packs. I think there's 30 or 36 cards in this pack. Let's open it up and see who we find. You will not find any gum in this one. They quit doing that a few years ago. Jason Kipnis. Ken Giles. Oops. Let's see, what do we got here? Dodgers rookie, Dodgers team card, alright. Texas Rangers team card. Edwin Encarnacion. Valencia. D Martinez. Lasorda, one of the great coaches. Alright, memorable moments. Ted Williams, 406 batting average for the season. I think he was the last one to hit 400. And Ichiro, alright, 3,000 career hits. Major League All-Star MVP, Roger Clemens. All-time All-Star, Edgar Martinez. David Wells, that's a 40-year card or something? Yeah. Santiago Casilla. Mike Napoli, one of the big hitters for the Rangers that year. Yadieer Molina. Jose Altuve. Danny Santana. Here's some of the better cards I pulled out of this pack. If you think I missed any, leave me a comment, let me know. Be glad to hear from you. Have a lot more of these packs coming. Baseball, football, basketball, you name it. If you have some packs you'd like to see me do a video on, let me know. I'll give you my address, send them to me, and I'll video them. Okay, we will see you next time.